For this tutorial we cover how to target bass using surface plug lure fishing techniques. We'll first explain what surface plugs are. We'll then look at the best typical situations that they are most suited for. We'll then cover the methods that you can apply to get the most from your surface lures. We'll go over the most suitable tackle setups for these types of plug, as well as which lures can be the best on the day. So let's quickly look at what surface plugs are. Surface plugs are a type of floating plug, meaning by default when cast they sit near to the surface of the water. Like other modern plug lures, they are mainly made from plastic or metal. Unlike other floating plugs, even on the retrieve, they will sit at the top surface layer of the water column. There are actually two main types of surface plug. The first is the surface popper, which is shown in the picture below. These type in particular usually have a dome-shaped front that helps cause surface disturbance by spitting water, which bass are attracted to when feeding. In addition, as with other lure types, surface popper lures can contain rattle chambers for added audio attraction. The other main style of surface plug are the walk the dog style plugs. These produce a zigzag motion on the top of the water that mimics baitfish behavior and creates more visual disturbance that the bass are likely to notice. So which conditions and situations best suit surface plugs? As surface lures remain at the top of the water, they can be a brilliant choice for fishing over snaggy ground. This can include areas where you have yet to survey the seabed, as these areas could hold the above-mentioned snag points. Another effective way that surface plugs can be used is when you are opting to fish very shallow water, as their presentation will remain more realistic than other lures, and they will remain practical to use. One of the common times surface plugs tend to be used is in the summer months. The reason for this is that this is a typical time that bass will feed on baitfish, and baitfish tend to have the habit of feeding near to the surface. It's actually entirely possible to catch bass on the surface outside of the summer period. One of the key factors in choosing to do so depends on whether you can see baitfish visibly being predated, such as when mackerel are harrying them upwards to produce a boiling effect on top of the water. Alternatively, they can simply be used to see what you can catch by chance. A good number of anglers prefer to use surface plugs in calmer conditions. In terms of a bass being able to see a lure on the surface during turbulent rough wave action is something of a debate. It's certainly true bass are highly visual and can spot lures even at night, though there is also the factor that a lot of surface baitfish won't tend to be feeding in the shallows outside of calm conditions. What is for sure is that small fish can be dislodged and disorientated during rough seas, so surface lures could actually still be worth a try in moderately choppy conditions, or maybe even in conditions more extreme than this. During low light levels such as dawn and dusk, surface plugs have been known to be particularly effective due to the fact bass will rely on the silhouettes of prey fish when targeting them in lower levels of light. Let's now take a look at the ideal methods for using this style of plug. Remember, there are two main types of surface plug. The first is the surface popper, which tends to be shorter in design. These lures are actually very straightforward in that they can be played simply using a straight retrieve. The other type being the walk the dog style lures, or slider lures as they are also known, are designed to be retrieved using a twitching motion with the rod. You point the rod tip down as low or as level with the water surface as you can, and repeatedly twitch the rod tip in an easy rhythm as you retrieve. The key is to look at the lure to check that the zigzag motion of the lure is being achieved on top of the water. As with pretty much any type of lure, it pays to vary your retrieve rate and test to see which works on the day. Also, including momentary pauses in your retrieve can be a serious invitation for a bass to bite. It's often as you carry on retrieving that you can suddenly get a take. As ever, scoping out features at low tide is the order of the day. Using surface lures allows you to cast directly over them with relatively little risk of snagging. Look for rock patches, gullies, depressions and weed beds. When it comes to weed beds, just keep in mind that longer strands of weed can stand up as they are covered by the incoming tide, so be aware of this especially in shallow water. So which is the ideal tackle setup for surface plugs? A light to medium style spinning rod that casts between 10 to 30 grams will suit most scenarios. You should always match the rod casting weight to the lures you intend to use, so if casting lighter lures, consider a rod rated at 5 to 35 grams. The reel should be a fixed spool of sensible size to match the rod, around a 3000 size. For mainline use, either 12 pounds mono or braid can be used between 15 to 20 pounds breaking strain. A fluorocarbon casting leader should also be used to add stealth and act as a rubbing leader. This should ideally match the breaking strain of your main line, though if using a stronger braid, consider dropping the leader strength to say a max of 15 pounds to keep the diameter low. So which lure should we choose on the day? It has been said that due to their longer shape profile, the walk the dog or slidey style lures tend to look more naturally like the typical baitfish species of the UK and mainland Europe, compared to the popper style surface plugs. Having said this, both style of plug have been proven to be effective when targeting bass in both the UK and on the continent. Darker coloured lures can cast a better silhouette in low light conditions, such as at dawn and dusk. Light reflective lures, such as white or silver coloured lures, can be effective in bright clear sunny conditions. If fishing water with some colour, consider using a brightly coloured lure, such as the luminous green, yellow or bright red colours. Don't forget, plugs with rattle chambers will always give good added audio attraction. If you would like to know how to use shallow diving plugs to target bass, check out the video links showing now. We've also included a video on how to target bass at distance with spinning lures, and a video link that covers how to target bass in heavily weedy or snaggy areas using soft plastic jelly lures. Don't forget to subscribe and stay notified, and be sure to check out our channel page to find many other sea fishing related tutorials.